Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bottom round steak. This cut, from the hind leg, is quite lean and can be tough if not prepared correctly. To ensure a tender and delicious meal, we'll focus on methods that break down its muscle fibers. Think about marinating for at least 2 hours or even using a meat mallet. These initial steps are key to transforming this economical cut into a fantastic dish, making it perfect for a hearty family dinner. Once your bottom round is prepped, choosing the right cooking method is next. For ultimate tenderness, slow cooking is your best friend. Braising it in a flavorful liquid for several hours will yield incredibly tender results. If you prefer a quicker cook, a high-heat sear to develop a crust, followed by a gentle finish in the oven, works well for thinner steaks. Remember, a meat thermometer is essential to hit that perfect doneness, ensuring a juicy outcome every time. Marinades are a game-changer for bottom round steak, infusing flavor and significantly improving tenderness. The secret lies in acidic ingredients like red wine vinegar or lemon juice, which gently break down the meat's fibers. Combine these with olive oil, your favorite herbs like oregano, and spices such as paprika and onion powder. Let your steak soak up all these wonderful flavors for at least 2 hours, or even better, 12 to 24 hours in the refrigerator. This step truly elevates the dish. After all your careful preparation and cooking, the final steps are crucial for enjoying your bottom round steak. Always slice it against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve your perfectly cooked steak with your favorite sides, perhaps some creamy mashed potatoes or crisp green beans. And don't forget to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes after cooking. This allows the juices to redistribute, guaranteeing a moist and flavorful experience. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.